Today I'm going to give a presentation about nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is a powerful source of energy generated during the nuclear reaction by changing nucleus of atom. The source of nuclear energy is the mass of the nucleus, and energy generated during the nuclear reaction is due to conversion of mass into energy. And Einstein theory, there are two types of nuclear energy: nuclear fusion and nuclear fusion. And nuclear fusion reaction, the nucleus of a heavy radioactive element like a uranium and plutonium or thorium splits up to smaller nuclei, and when bombarded by low energy neutrons, a huge amount of heat is generated in this process. That process, the huge amount of generated process is which used to nuclear power plants to generate electricity. And nuclear fusion, a nuclear reaction involves the combination of fusion of two light elements to form a heavier element and release the uncontrollable energy. Thus it cannot be used to generate electricity. The sun's energy is generated by the nuclear fusion reaction, that heat and light that we get from the sun. It's all due to the continuous reaction going inside in it. Facts about the nuclear energy. Nuclear energy comes from the uranium and a non-renewable resource that must be mined. Every 18 to 24 months, a power plant must shut down to remove it spent uranium fuel, which has become a radioactive waste. And the 13% of world electricity comes from the nuclear power plants that emit little no greenhouse gases. Nuclear energy is being used to more than 30 countries around the world, and even power Mars rovers. And nuclear power facility can produce energy at 91% efficiency rate 24/7 while maintaining the method with the lowest emissions. More than 70% of Americans' emission-free power comes from the nuclear energy sources. 1 in 5 household and business in the US are electricity powered by the nuclear energy. United States power plants produce 2,000 metric tons of radioactive waste every year. And there is some advantages and disadvantages of using of nuclear energy. Low greenhouse gas emissions. Nuclear energy by far has the lowest impact in environment, does not release any gases like carbon dioxide, methane. Nuclear energy is a very powerful and efficient than other alternative energy sources. It is reliable, and nuclear energy can be produced from nuclear power plants even in the cases of rough weather conditions. Cheap electricity and low fuel cost, easy to supply and transportations. And disadvantage, nuclear energy is not a renewable. The current nuclear power plants are very reliable, but you must send significant amount of the money to ensure their safety. It generates a lot of trash and debris too. Treatment of waste pursues millennia very danger of accident, either exhaust or blast. Thank you.